Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a super requested one. It is on my skincare routine and I have literally just stepped out of the shower and I was just about to go ahead and apply all of my skincare. So I thought that why not let me come on here and demo it for you guys. I will also be talking about my routine that I do at night and a couple of things that I do in the middle of the week just so you guys have the whole picture. Also, I'm going to be showing you all of the products that I use and why I choose to use them. So let's start. So at the moment, I am completely au naturel. That's right. I have no makeup on me, no products on me, no nothing. Like I told you, I have just stepped out of my shower. So I'm just going to start to pull my hair back. And the first product I want to talk to you about is my face wash. I use this face wash from Forest Essentials. It is their delicate facial cleanser with Mashobra honey, lemon and rose water. I have spoken a lot about this cleanser in the past. It has been featured on my Instagram stories multiple times because I absolutely love it. I'm so like awkward with my hair because it's like not in place and I'm just going on playing with it. Please ignore that. But again. Anyways, so this face wash is basically Ayurvedic. It is extremely gentle on the face, and while it does dry my skin out like other face washes do, it is the one that dries my face out the least. Like, it's been about 15-20 minutes since I've stepped out of the shower now and my face isn't feeling that, you know, pulled, that super dry feeling that you get after using a lot of face washes. So this one is my #1 face wash. I mean, like you can see, I'm almost through this bottle and this is my second bottle of this face wash. So definitely love it. Also, the ingredients in this face wash: the honey helps moisturize, the rose water helps tone, and the lemon helps to brighten. Lemon, basically anything that has vitamin C will always help to brighten the skin, and I have a lot of spots on my skin, acne scars, and I do have a little dull skin, even though right now my skin is behaving, touch wood, very well. And why it's doing that also I'm gonna let you know very soon. But that is why basically I picked this face wash, because of the ingredients, and they have been working great for me. So as soon as I'm cleansed and I'm out of the shower, I have added a toner to my routine, and this toner has literally changed my life. A few weeks back, I had uploaded a picture of mine on Instagram, and my face was covered in whiteheads, in pimples. I had so much happening on my face. It was just terrible, and I decided that it was high time that I added a toner to my routine, because honestly, so I did my research, and this is actually a really funny story. You know the blue Ola Henriksen toner, the dark spot toner? It's a new one and it's an overnight toner that actually is all over Instagram, and you will not believe this. I went twice to 2 different Sephoras, like a couple of weeks apart, to get that toner, and it was sold out. Like completely sold out both the times I went, and I was just like, you know what, forget it. Then I kind of did my research on all different kinds of toners, and I came to the conclusion that let me try this age-old beauty secret, just pure old, good old witch hazel, which is when I went ahead and ordered this product right here. And in case you're not aware, Thayers is an age-old skincare company. It was founded in 1847 that believe in natural remedies for skincare. So this is what this toner claims to do. This Thayers Rose Petal Witch Hazel with aloe vera will make your skin bloom. This natural, gentle skin toner is derived from a time-ordered Native American formula. Thayers developed this natural toner for healthy-looking skin, adding moisture while helping to protect the skin from airborne impurities and as an alternative to drying astringents. Thayers certified organic witch hazel is grown on a family farm in Fairfield County, Connecticut. Our unique blend includes fillet of aloe vera to hydrate the skin, calming rose water to help soften the skin and give it a natural healthy glow, and witch hazel to tighten the pores and smooth skin without drying. And this brings me to my skin transformation literally in 1 week. I have used this product for 2 weeks now, and you guys must have noticed that I've not posted this on Instagram at all, because honestly it was the first time I was trying it and I just didn't want to post it for the heck of it, and I wanted to know if it really worked. And guys, this product has changed my life. Like, I cannot even tell you. I cannot even begin to tell you. Like, my skin is feeling tight. It's cleared up big time. I had, like I mentioned, I had so many whiteheads. I had so much acne, but it's literally cleared up since the time I've started using this. And it's been about 2 weeks since I've used this, and oh my god. So how I use this is basically take some on a cotton pad, and by the way, I have cut my cotton pad into half because I'm not about to waste an entire cotton pad every single day when half of it can do the job. So basically I take this on a cotton pad and I start to apply it on my skin in an upward motion like this. I make sure especially to apply it on my pores because I have a lot of pores in this area and on my forehead. So I make sure to apply it especially on my pores. It smells divine. Like, if you know me for a long time, you know roses are my absolute favorite flower for their smell. And I'm talking about real roses, not those really red small Chinese ones, but if you smelled a real rose, you know what I'm talking about. So basically I just apply it all over my skin, making sure all the areas of my face are covered, and I just very gently apply it like so in upward motions, and then I give it about a minute or so to rest in my skin. Next, I move on to my under eye cream, which is the Banana Bright Eye Cream by Ole Henriksen. So this eye cream is basically great to apply for under makeup, which solves my purpose really well because I use a lot of makeup and it gives an instant brightening effect. The second thing is that it's got vitamin C in it. Once again, vitamin C helps in brightening your skin over time, so it's great for the dark circles. And thirdly, it is collagen boosted, which means it firms this area and hydrates at the same time. So what I like to do is just take some of it and apply it under my eyes. Like you can see, I apply it to the inner corner as well because I do have darkness over there, and I kind of go all the way and apply it to this part of my eyes where I'm starting to see a few lines appear. So on applying, this feels extremely cooling on the eyes, and it feels really nice, and it especially is an amazing base to apply makeup on. And concealers, you know, if you have dry under eye circles and your concealers are drying, cracking, it is very important to apply a really nice base, hydrating base under it. Once I'm done applying my under eye cream, I move on to my moisturizer. I use the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. This is also something that I have added very recently to my routine, and honestly, I am not very sure if I love it or I hate it. At the moment, I'm just testing it, and I will come back with an update on this. For now, what it claims to do is it delivers radiance and improves the appearance of dark spots and discoloration, which is one of the big reasons why I bought this moisturizer. Also, it is oil free, which helps me because I get oily. I have combination skin, so I get oily on my T-zone and tend to break out a little more than someone with normal skin would. So what I do is just take it and apply it all over my skin. It has really great texture. It's actually almost lotion like, but at the same time it gives me really good hydration. So for the hydration bit of it, I absolutely love and do like this moisturizer, but overall, does it do what it claims to do? Not sure yet. And finally, as the last step for my morning skincare routine, I apply a chapstick. The one I am using right now is a Nivea Soft Rose chapstick, and it works absolutely great for me. So that concludes my morning routine. It is super quick for me, and it literally just has 4 products. I used to use a serum before in the morning, which was the Vitamin C Serum by Ole Henriksen. But honestly, I'm done with 1 bottle and I don't see a lot of changes at all, which is why I Didn't even think it was worth mentioning on here. Now I'll just talk about a couple of things that I do during the week before I move on to my nighttime routine, which is also very quick and very small. The first thing that I do weekly, and it depends on how bad or how clogged up my skin is I exfoliate it once or twice a week. I basically use a normal cleanser, any cleanser, and I use it on this mini silicone brush. As you can see, this brush has got these bristles which are absolutely gentle, but at the same time they really help exfoliate the skin very, very well. So this is something that I do once or twice a week to make sure that my upper layer of dead skin cells is removed. If my pores are very clogged, then it is properly cleaned with this, because the face wash that I use is not a exfoliating face wash, because I have noticed that when I use actual exfoliants that have beads in it, it doesn't really work well for my skin. But this is something that has been working really, really well for the past 2 months for me. The other thing that I like to do weekly or bi-weekly is to mask. And as with all skincare routines, I'm sure you must know that masking is kind of important. It just helps kind of rejuvenate the skin. And if you're not getting facials, or you haven't started getting facials yet every month or once in every 2 months, then I think this is something that is very important and that will really help like give your skin a quick refresh, a quick like rejuvenation. The masks that I really like mainly concentrate on hydration and texture, which are two different things, of course, and I use different masks for both of these. So for texture and for refining pores and things like that, I like the Origins Retexturizing Clay Mask, and this goes for any clay mask. If you've used any clay mask in the past, you know that it is really good to kind of tighten your skin, to clean out your pores, and it just gives a really nice firming effect to your skin. So the two that I use a lot for this purpose is, like I mentioned, the Origins Retexturizing Clay Mask and the Boscia. Now if you've been following me for a while, you know I've used this for over 2.5 to 3 years now. It is the Boscia Luminizing Black Mask. It is a peel off mask and it is a charcoal mask, and it really helps in cleaning up my skin and just kind of tightening my pores, firming my skin. It just helps in all of that. So these two are my absolute favorite when it comes to retexturizing masks. And the third mask that I use quite regularly is the Origins Drink Up Intensive Mask. This is an overnight mask and it is superiorly just for hydration, and it works amazingly well. So this is something that I make sure I do at least once a week. I go to sleep in this mask and I wake up with super plumped up, amazingly smooth skin. I also do use and have used sheet masks in the past, but I feel like sheet masks honestly don't do anything for my skin, so which is why I kind of don't use them anymore. I prefer to use something that stays on my skin, that actually feels like it's giving some kind of an effect to my skin. The other thing that I like to do, and this is in no way a compulsion, I just do it because I sometimes like to pamper myself, and I bought it so I have to use it. I basically mask under my eyes. For that I use these Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat hydrogel eye patches. So this is basically what they look like. They're basically one-time use hydrogel patches. You just apply them on your under eyes and basically leave them for about 15 to 20 minutes. These are actually great if while using before you're going to like a big event, or if you've not slept really well and you have puffiness under your eyes. These are extremely cooling and work great to depuff and just instantly brighten up your dull eyes. And when I say brighten up, I don't mean cover up your dark circles. They basically just help hydrate and plump your under eyes, making you look a lot less tired. And last but not the least, this is something I do for my overall skin, not just for the skin on my face, but it of course helps the overall health of my skin, and that is to drink at least 2 of these bottles filled with water every single day. And that's about 2 liters, and that's still not ideal, but I have gotten myself up to 2 liters and I plan to increase it hopefully down the line. But this is what I can comfortably drink, and honestly it has really helped the overall dryness on my skin. I live in a very dry climate, I live in a very cold climate, so obviously I do have to moisturize, but overall I feel like it really helps and keep me hydrated throughout the day. Finally, moving on to my night routine. It is super quick. It is nothing fancy. All I do is ensure to take out all of the makeup on my face. I do a double cleanse formula. I have done multiple video tutorials on that on my Instagram page, so go check it out if you haven't already to see how I double cleanse and remove all the makeup off my skin. So that is something I do, and then I end the night with this serum from The Ordinary. It is the caffeine solution 5%, which claims to reduce appearance of eye contour, pigmentation, and of puffiness. So this is basically, it claims to be a miracle product. I have honestly bought this a while back, but just properly started using this since about 3 weeks now, and to be very honest, I have kind of seen a very slight change in my dark circles. They're not as deep set and not as dark as they used to look before. They're not completely cured obviously, but I am loving this product, so I will continue to use this every single night. And finally, the last product that I use at night is this Kiehl's Hydro Plumping Retexturizing Serum Concentrate. It is clinically tested to plump skin, smoothing the appearance of fine lines and texture while significantly reducing the look of dull, tired-looking skin that can be caused by age-related dehydration. So that last part makes me feel like I am 50, but no, this is basically a plumping serum that I use on my face only at night. I do not use this on my T-zone because it gets a little bit too oily. So I use this just on these areas where I am kind of dry, and I use it around my laugh lines and things like that, just overall. And then with whatever product I have on my face, I then pat it onto my T-zone. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then shoot in the comment section below. I will always be very happy to answer them. Don't forget to like this video if you have liked it, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.